Hey guys, another unboxing video we're doing here. This one's from Optics Planet. It's an MR556 quad rail. Got in the mail a few days ago. Just haven't got around to opening it yet. So we're gonna open it together and see how it looks. I'm filming one-handed, so I'm gonna be using the other hand to open the box, so it's not really gonna look that nice for you guys, but all right, we have a wine voucher. Okay. Sticker. Let's say these are the packing slip here. Export restrictions. All right, so here it is. Picatinny Guard MR556, made in Germany. All right, so we can get the box out of the way now. Here is what you're tuned in for. Basically, I bought this because the new MR556s come with either an M-lock rail, the newer ones come with M-lock, and the little bit older ones come with a proprietary key mod called HK HK. It's a play on H and K, I guess. I don't know. Play on the word H and K. But most people that are buying MR556s and or MR762s want them to be like the HK 416 and the HK 417 and the HK 416. So you gotta buy a quad rail to replace the H key or the M-lock rail to make it look more in line with the military versions. So here we have solid aluminum, I believe. It's definitely not stamped or anything like that. We have T marks up here from 18 to 36. You have your mounting area. And this is it's a free float rail, so no need to, I mean, you literally can just unscrew it and screw it back on. It just slides right on. Real simple to install and remove. There's the back side. Looks like that's interesting. It's it's like a scuff there. Trying to get the camera to focus. And you can see it right there. I mean, it's brand new. Actually, there's some. Looks like, trying to get it in the light here. You can kind of see some. Looks like additional wear, maybe. Yeah, that's odd. Some more. yeah, guys, I don't know about that. You guys are seeing this as I'm seeing this, so it's all new to me. So yeah, oh, also right there. So there, and then these spots, even inside a little bit. You see that? Yeah, right there. It's almost like it was fit on at one point, and someone was like reefing on it or something. Huh. So yeah, that's the MR556 quad rail. It's a German part. So yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. They should still have some of these in stock. They come in and out of stock periodically. It's not a cheap part. I believe I paid $320 for this one, and that doesn't include tax. So yeah, but if you want your MR556 to look like the real McCoy, you don't really have a choice. So there we are, and I'll see you guys in the next one.